Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to use numbers. A lot of people are starting to use numbers and they want to be able to just set up basic spreadsheets and just look at some of the basic functions. So let's have a look at it now. On your iPad, click on numbers. Sorry, just setting this up. Click on numbers and it will come up with, if you've never used it before, it'll probably be empty. You need to create a new one. But it might look something like this, pretty empty. So let's create a new spreadsheet. Up the top left, click on the plus button, create spreadsheet. Just choose a blank one for now. And it should come with a table already inserted. But if you want to get rid of that, if it's no good, just get rid of it. Let's have a go at putting a new table. So add, click which table you like. Just a basic one there. Now, just a few basic functions for this. If you want to add more columns, you click on the top part here and you can see this grey thing here in the top right corner. If you drag that, it just automatically adds new columns that are the same size. If you want to resize columns, click on the top tab and then these two little lines, you can drag them out. So it's hard to see because you can't see where my finger is, but on those two little lines at the top right of the blue box. Same thing with new rows. So down here you can click on this bottom left grey circle and just add new rows. Alright. If you want to make the rows bigger, same thing, you click on the little grey part and see the two little lines there? Make them bigger and smaller. Okay. To change the name of the table, click on the table, double click on the table, call it a new name. Okay. Now, if you ever want to delete or copy or move this table, the top left corner, the circle there, click on that and it says cut, copy or delete. So you can delete it, you can copy it into another spreadsheet, etc. To highlight boxes, to type in them, you double click in a box and here you can see different things that you can put in the boxes. This is numbers at the moment. The 42 means you can insert numbers. Mostly people probably want to put text, so T for text. Type in your text in the box. And then if you want to go to an underline, don't click next on the keyboard. Just tap next to text where it's typed text and you'll see new paragraph. It's a bit annoying, I know, but click on new paragraph and it goes to a new line. Can you see that? It's going to a new line each time. And then you can type some more stuff. Click done. You want to change the color of your box, go up the top here to the paintbrush and click fill color and then choose the color of your box that you would like. Go back, change the text options. You can make it bigger, smaller, change the color of your text, etc. You can bold it, you can play around with that. You can put borders around the box. Maybe you want to put a border around that box. So now you can see I've put a border around that box. Now if you want to change the name of the sheet up the top left corner, just click on that sheet and I'll double click on that sheet and you can actually change that to a new name. Alright, so that's your sheet there. Then you want to add a new spreadsheet perhaps, so click add so you can see all the tabs coming along the top there. If I want to copy and paste that, like a weekly timetable or something, I just click top left corner, copy that. Maybe I want to go into a new one, tap and paste. There's my new table. On the same one, you can actually paste it underneath. I like to have lots of tables on the same one, so I just click paste underneath and then move it. So drag that top left circle and drag it down to where you want it. So now I've got two spreadsheets in the one. Now I'll probably show you later on how to do charts and things if you like to have graphs. But that's the idea up there. If you want to change the name of see where it says blank at the top, click on spreadsheet, click on the word blank, and you can call that whole spreadsheet, planning or something like that. Click done. So there you go. You've just created a basic spreadsheet and you can drag them into folders like I've got here. So you can hold your finger, drag it into different folders if you want to make folders. Just drag them over the top of each other. Delete up the top, you can see rubbish bin, etc. Done. If you want to email it to somebody and share it, just open the spreadsheet, click on the spanner in the top corner, click share, and you can try and print it at school. We have air printers that usually work, or you can email the spreadsheet. Choose which format you would like. PDF is best because then it shows exactly the fonts that you've got. Numbers is good if you're sharing it with someone else with numbers. Alright, there's the basics. Have a go. Let me know if you need help.